This video is about end-to-end quilting with a design by JUJU. This is the instruction pattern, and I'm going to be using the large stippling pattern. This is explaining the instructions and directions. I've loaded it on Embrilliance, and this is a computer program for embroidery design. After saving it to my USB, I ended up trying to just do a simple quilt. So I did my quilt sandwich, and I wanted to put a name on this for a baby blanket for my niece's baby who will be due this year. So there's that part. I did get frustrated with it. It was a little bit difficult to line things up. So I ended up doing some free motion quilting so I could hide some of my flaws. Over here, you see it didn't quite meet the end of my last embroidery design. So I ended up doing the best I could. And here you see again, it didn't quite meet. That's probably about like a ½ inch off or so. So I tried different techniques. I tried using the gauge, and there it goes again. I did not quite meet it. And just to be fair, they did recommend that you use target paper. I did not. I just tried the absolute best I could to get as close as possible. Sometimes when I did this, the design went over the previous design. I had some gapping here and there, so get the target paper. I highly recommend that. When I do this again in the future, I will get target paper. As a matter of fact, it is on its way. I did over 30 hoopings just for a small baby blanket, and you want to be sure that you put enough fabric in to accommodate for that, because you'll be trimming some of that off. See how I wanted it to go all the way to the end, so I ended up doing a little bit more. Here I am making the binding. I'm attaching it, and I'm showing you here how it looks before I sew down the binding. And from far away, it actually looks really nice. I did learn a lot by doing this first attempt, and I'm sure that it will be a lot better the next time I do it. And when I do, I will definitely post another video and hope that it turns out perfect with my second attempt at it. I hope that you like this video. If you liked it at any point, please hit the like and subscribe button to watch any future videos, and let me know if you tried this yourself and if you have any tips or tricks to share with all of us. Thanks for watching.